Hello everyone, I'm Professor Halsey. Welcome to CEIS150. I am so excited to be teaching this class this session, and let me tell you why. It's full of fun stuff and lots of options for you as a student on attending live lessons. So I'm here in the course, CEIS 150, and I click on modules, and that brings me here to the introduction and resources section. So if you've not used zyBooks before, you'll want to make sure and go through how to use a zyBook. Okay, if you're ever having trouble with your zyBook, make sure and come here and contact technical support to get in touch with them to get help with not the assignment, but if it's not working. Not if the assignment's not working, but if it's not running, it won't connect, or whatever you need it to do. But if you're having issues with the labs, then you want to contact me or one of the other professors. And you'll see here our live lecture and office hour huddle session schedule. Okay, so we click there and it brings us to the schedule, and you can see that I'll be presenting on Monday nights from 4:30 to 8:30, and Professor McKenzie presents on Tuesday nights from 4 to 7:50, and these are Mountain Standard Times. Wednesday night is Professor Sean Carruthers from 5 to 8:50, and Thursday night, Joe Noma from 7 to 10:50. So you can join any of these weekly lectures or lessons that you want to. Okay. Then if you need help with assignments, let's say you're working on a zyBook assignment or one of the week one PlayPosit assignments, and you're having trouble with the information in it, then you can jump in one of the huddles with the professors. Any of the professors is good, even though I'm your main professor for grading and stuff. You're welcome to jump in any of the professors' huddle session. And where would you jump in at? For Professor McKenzie, there's a particular link, but for everybody else, you go back to where we join our live lessons at. And where's that? Well, if you didn't see the previous announcement, it is back here in modules. So I'm going to jump back into modules and come down, and you'll see right below where I just clicked to get the huddle hours is the link for the live lesson. So you would click here, then click here. All right, now if I want to jump in the live lesson, I'm going to join the classroom. But if I want to go view the recordings, I'd go into the playback room and start the playback room. So this is a different area that houses the recordings, but it's in the same place. Okay, for Module 1, we do not have zyBook assignments. There are 2 PlayPosit assignments. You'll see one here in Module 1 worth 35 points and one here in Lesson 2 for 40 points. If you have any questions on the questions in these, please feel free to reach out to me. Then when you get done with Module 1, please complete the Module 1 pulse survey. It's kind of a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Okay. The other thing I wanted to mention is this week is the only week we have 2 discussion questions. Normally we'll have 1 for 15 points, but here we have the course objectives for 5 points and the regular discussion topic worth 10 points. If you ever want to see a rubric for a given discussion, I'm not sure how it comes up on your side, but you can somehow view the rubric. And if you post twice in week 1, you get full credit. If you're presenting at least 1 citation, you can also use the live lesson as that citation. So if you attended the live lesson, that accounts for your citation for the week. Just give us that I don't require a screenshot. You can give me 3 things you learned from the live lesson, and then that just clears it up for us just fine. Okay. Again, I'm usually going back to modules to make sure I'm covering the right material for the week. So you'll see again, we had the 2 discussion topics this week. One is on the course objectives, and then the other is just a regular discussion topic. So to find the course objectives, we'll come over here and click on the syllabus. And once that loads, you're going to scroll down, and yes, here's my information and a little bit about me, the course material, and right below that is our course objectives. So you'll read through the course objectives and then come back and answer the course objectives discussion question. Okay. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I look forward to working with you this session. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you Monday night in my live lesson.